Okay, so here we are. It's a nice sunny Sunday, and we're with Mike with his electric NSU Quickly that he built up. He's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Hello guys, this is a little video for Mark Smith, my mate Mark Smith, and a few of the guys on Facebook who have these NSUs. I've made this one into an electric one. You probably saw the posts, and a few people have asked how I've done it. It's very simple. I haven't got technical drawings or anything, but inside here where the mag was, underneath the mag cover, is where I've put my little electric motor, which is from a skateboard. If I switch this on, so there's the motor there, and it just speeds up, and that's, I've put it on a plate here, so all that's doing is driving half of the crankshaft into the clutch, so the rest of it's all still quickly. Factory spec quickly, apart from that. And so that's running through a control box, which is a skateboard part, and the battery is from an e-bike. It's a 36 volt battery. This motor will take up to 60 volts, so I may well put a 48 volt battery on there, make it a bit quicker than that. It does about 20-22 miles an hour, something like that. So that's it really.
Okay.
It's very simple. And I should just go around here, give a little demo. Put it into first. I generally just leave it in first. And here we go.
Oh, he's off. And he's back again.
Picks up speed quite nicely.
Yeah.